Number 7 from the Unit 1 test. Which expression can be used to find the area of the polygon? Multiple choice. A, B, C, or D. Now, this was already broken down into two different rectangles for you. We drew the line in. So your job is to figure out which of these would correctly find the area. For you to do that, you got to identify how to find area of a rectangle. So this rectangle, if I draw it out, same rectangle. There's two numbers you need to look for, the length and the width. The 9 is how wide it is. Perfectly, 9. So I'm going to put a 9 here. The length is how long. This is 18. Some students might have got confused because of this 20, but the 20 is the whole thing. But that does not apply just to this rectangle. Just for the length of this rectangle, it should be 18. So to find the area of this rectangle, we will do length times width, so 9 times 18. Then we have to find the area of this small rectangle. So I'm going to draw that one out. This one has the length and the width labeled for you. It's perfect. It says this is 2 feet, this is 6 feet. So that one you would do 2 times 6. Now after you find the area to each one, you would add them together. So which is the correct way of solving for the area of this polygon? The correct answer is C. If you selected C, you got 1 out of 1 point. Now part B, your ability to do part B depended on whether you chose C as the answer. Part B, what is the area? So you have to use the problem you just created and solve it. So on one side, I'm going to do 9 times 18, which I believe should be 162. On the other side, you're supposed to do 2 times 6, which is 12. And then if you add those together, you should get your area of 174 feet squared. And if you did these steps, you would have got 4 out of 4 for the work for part B. 1 point for finding this number, 1 point for finding this number, 1 point for adding, and then 1 point for the correct answer. That is how the 4 points were calculated.